Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you is the best chicken soup for cold and cough. I am taking here chicken pieces with bones. Heat half tablespoon of oil in an instant pot. I am going to add here whole spices, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom and black pepper. Stir well with a spatula. Next, I am going to add here finely chopped onions. Saute the onions till they are transparent. Next, add here ginger garlic paste. Stir well. Now I am taking here fresh coriander leaves. Now add here chicken pieces with bones. Mix well the chicken pieces. Now I am adding here turmeric powder, salt as per your taste, black pepper powder. Add water as per required. I am adding here 3 to 4 cups of water. Stir well. Close the lid and cook it on a high flame for 6 minutes and low flame till the oil comes and chicken becomes tender. I am making here chapati for chicken soup. Here the chicken soup is ready. Now garnish it with the chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. You can have this with chapati. This is the best soup for cold and cough. Now serve it in a bowl. Friends, like, share and subscribe. Jazakallah.